Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Vane of Moonlight Beach Dental, and I wanted to talk a little bit about some of the supplements that we have here in the office. I have told you in other videos that I was heavy metal toxic, and most patients that present to us as having a lot of autoimmune, that's the number one component to autoimmune Lyme parasites is an underlying heavy metal toxicity. And a lot of people aren't even aware that it can come from the materials in their mouth, or someone like me who gets a lot from the environment and I don't excrete it well. So how do we manage this? One, I recommend a heavy metals test. You could have it with a third-party company we can use, or you can go to your naturopath, find out which metals are in your system. This will cause leaky gut, which is one of the main triggers for autoimmune, all types of autoimmune. Hashimoto's, fibromyalgia, you name it. And so the only way to cure leaky gut is to rebuild the junctions that are holding your gut lining together. And that takes getting the metals out and then getting things resupplemented and then using things like collagen and sometimes an alkaline diet just to get the gut healed. So what I have here is I have some products that help push the metals out. They're binders. Essentially, they'll grab some of the metals that are in your system and they'll push it into the stool. Now, an important component of this is that you need to have, if you have a lot of metal in your mouth, you can't have some of these factors chelating you, pulling it out of your system if you still have a lot of metals left in your mouth. So that's important to talk to your doctor about. These are weaker binders. They're not as strong as some of the IV ones I could do, but they'll pull the metals out. And then I have intestinal permeability kits, which are meant to treat leaky gut. This is a carbon technology. It's called CellCore. And then we also have some parasite cleanses that can be done. Typically, I don't do those without a lot of testing on patients, but we have a lot of extra supplements here. The other thing we have are some CT minerals and some kidney and liver detoxes, and a lot of supplements I can add in, like B's and magnesium, through IV therapy to help accelerate your gut healing and help up-regulate your body's immune system. So these are kind of typical as almost like a hangover cocktail. If you feel horrible, we can put in some of these medications and vitamin infusions that'll help you feel amazing. If you're interested in any of that, feel free to check us out at Moonlight Beach Dental.